Sky Camera Network right now, and we've got some spotty showers, but I think that the wind is likely going to be the bigger story. The reason why we have the wind even in place, we have a couple of air masses that are colliding. There's some very active weather in the Midwest. In fact, Indiana has 3 tornado warnings. There's a swath of snow that's going to pretty much blanket the peninsula of Michigan. And then we have, of course, sweet home Alabama up against this massive ridge of high pressure that's been breaking records for warmth from Alabama and down the spine of Florida. Those 2 air masses colliding, it creates a pressure gradient and we get wind. We get some pretty gusty winds too. It's going to create a little bit more of a rift here in the atmosphere across midday hours. Right now, the current wind gusts in Birmingham, 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That was the last gust that we had reported there. 23-mile-per-hour wind gusts out of the southwest right now. And so be very, very cautious across interstates like I-22 and high-profile vehicles. Some of that air can get up underneath the chassis and they'll have to overcorrect. So just be very cautious. You know, those 18-wheelers are delivering the goods that we all need. Keep them safe. It's 77 in Utah this midday. It's 70 in Birmingham. Still our average high for the latter part of February should be about 62, but we're not seeing that. It's almost 80 in the Big Easy. It's 75 in Destin. So still likely seeing some records for warmth across portions of the Deep South. The winter weather is still in the Rockies. We're not going to see it surging southward for quite some time. In fact, the winds are still going to be gusty. We're under a wind advisory until we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, and the winds aren't going to really die down until tonight, about 20, maybe 15 to 20 mile-per-hour wind gusts. But at this juncture, if you're heading out, maybe you're running some errands, just be very cautious around, like I mentioned, the 18-wheelers will still have a couple of spotty showers through about 4 p.m. and then we'll have a bit of a lull. So Tuesday will be a little bit of a cooler morning because we are seeing movement with this front. And so we'll have a pretty nice spring-like day on Tuesday. Then we get into Wednesday, and later in the day on Wednesday, there's a marginal threat for some heavier rainfall that could produce possibly some flooding in areas that are along and north of the 59 and 20 corridor. And rain and storms will still be lingering as we head into Friday as well. So that's why we have those impact symbols to alert you that we will see thunderstorms late into Thursday and Friday too. So keep that WVTM 13 app handy. Otherwise, the weekend looks pretty good. Sarah.